All right, guys, how you doing? Pretty excited. So I do unboxing of the new iPhone here I got from my wife. It is the 256 mini, the new iPhone 12 mini. So I did open it up, but let's take a look at this. I ordered this when it first came on pre-order, and it took me about 2 weeks. I got the 12 pretty quickly, Pro Max, but this one took a little bit longer. The great thing about this is my wife really enjoys is the fact that it's white, and I was even contemplating getting a white phone as well. But I would say it kind of reminds me of an iPhone 4 or 6. It's well put together, and it's very small in size, and you can text, and that's why I guess women love this. I mean, the standard stuff, no charger, unfortunately. But yeah, I think the craftsmanship on this phone looks really good, and hopefully she'll enjoy it. So my impression of this compared to the 12 Pro Max that I got, it's just the same type of phone, pretty much. It's a smaller version, mini version. So I think that this has had a lot of success, and I think this would be a very high demand phone as well. So that's about it. Until next time.